Hi everyone, Jasmine and I are excited to be here today and share a little bit about Surface Duo with you. You're in the Surface Labs on the Microsoft campus. This is where we have our teams of designers and engineers work together to make products like Duo. Today we're going to talk about three things: the beautiful displays, the custom 360-degree hinge, and the product's internal dual system architecture. As Panos has mentioned, Surface Duo was purpose-built for productivity from the ground up. Now, one of the first things you'll notice with the product is its vibrant OLED displays. Duo has a custom pixel stack and a proprietary dual display calibration process. That way, the two screens look the same no matter what orientation the device is in. The assembly process has active pixel alignment, making sure the two screens are perfectly aligned across the hinge. We have touch and ink synchronization between the left and right sides, making sure you can drag and drop across apps. Now, these are just a few examples. Creating a seamless experience required us to be able to invent new design and manufacturing techniques that don't exist in the industry today. Now, what really makes the technology magical is what puts the two incredibly thin pixel-sense screens together side by side. And for that, Jasmine's going to talk a little bit about the design and engineering work from the team on the hinges.
Thank you, Pavan. Now, the hinges on Surface Duo are incredible. They join the two sides together, both mechanically and electrically, to give you a full 360 degrees of rotation. And this is why Duo is so extraordinary. As you use it, it becomes this device that adapts to you. And the design draws on our history of innovation in our Surface hinges. We made it to be fluid and effortless to open, yet it still has the friction and stability you need to stop in any position. To do this, we dialed in the gears with watch-like precision and are routing ultra-thin wires between the two displays that carry data, power, and control signals. And all of this comes together in the smallest hinge we've ever created. But the precision design and engineering doesn't just stop there. Pavan?
Thank you, Jasmine. That's right. We talked a little bit about the unique dual displays and the custom 360-degree hinge. Now let's go a little bit deeper into the dual battery architecture that allowed us to create the world's thinnest folding device at 4.8 millimeters. Panos often talks about Surface was born to challenge conventional design and conventional thinking. Now, we can't challenge convention using off-the-shelf design and components. This is the thinnest surface we've ever built, and something this thin couldn't be built with existing phone technology, so we had to do more. Duo's design drove us to be able to split the batteries into an asymmetric configuration, requiring us to be able to charge and charge balance the two sides independently. The cells on the two halves also power the systems on the two halves and come together to act as one to be able to meet the demands of the processor, especially while running multiple apps. In fact, this dual battery architecture allowed us to create the most dynamic mobile device ever created.
That's right. With the ability to run two apps side by side, Surface Duo is the ultimate next wave of productivity. To make these experiences effortless, we designed the device so that all the technical complexity fades into the background and comes together to feel perfectly balanced when you hold it. Our team of human science experts and ergonomists researched how people held and interacted with this new form factor. And this is what enabled us to be incredibly precise about where we placed each and every component to lead us to a device that has the right center of gravity and a custom bumper. So for all the postures that you use, the device comes together and feels perfectly balanced in your hand.